Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Reach for the Top, Maria Sharapova. In our previous session, we came to know that within 4 years as a professional, Maria Sharapova reached the pinnacle. Pinnacle means highest point. And on Monday 22nd August 2005, she reached to the number 1 position in women's tennis. In such a short time, she was able to achieve all these things. But it was not easy for her to reach that height. Actually, her training started 9 years before, and she had to sacrifice many things in order to achieve such things. Before she celebrating her 10th birthday itself, she had to move to USA along with her father. Her mother could not join them because of visa restrictions. In USA, she had to stay alone. She had to be away from her mother. That was really heart-wrenching separation. And her father was also not coming openly to meet her because he was working as much as he could to keep her tennis training going on. So, both father and mother, they were not there with her. She had to be alone, and she was a very small girl. That's why it was very difficult for her to face such a situation. But at the same time, she understood that if she wants to get excellence in tennis, she must sacrifice something for that. Now, let's continue the lesson. Because I was so young, I used to go to bed at 8 p.m. The other tennis pupils would come in at 11 p.m. and wake me up and order me to tidy up the room and clean it. She was very young, so she used to go to bed at 8 p.m. But other tennis pupils would come in at 11 p.m. and they wake her up and they used to order her to tidy up. Tidy up means arrange neatly. They used to order her to arrange the things neatly in the room, and they used to tell her to clean the whole room. A kind of teasing or bullying, we can say here. Seniors, they were bullying her. Instead of letting that depress me, I became more quietly determined and mentally tough. I learned how to take care of myself. Yeah, by those things, instead of letting that depress me, instead of becoming depressed, she became more quietly determined and mentally tough. Such situations made her very determined, firm, and mentally tough, mentally very strong. I learned how to take care of myself. By those things only, she learned how to take care of herself. I never thought of quitting because I knew what I wanted. Though she was suffering, also she was not ready to quitting. Quitting means leaving. She was not ready to leave tennis because she knew what she wanted. She wanted to achieve her goal. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you very hungry and determined. She says, when you come from nothing and when you have nothing, then It makes you very hungry and determined. That situation makes you very hungry to do something, very determined to do something, to achieve something. I would have put up with much more humiliations and insults than that to steadfastly pursue my dream. And she said, she would have put up. Put up means to endure or to tolerate. She was ready to tolerate even more humiliations and insults. Okay. Humiliation means nothing but dishonor. Okay. She was ready to face even more humiliations and insults than that to steadfastly pursue her dream. In order to pursue, in order to chase her fixed dream, fixed goal. Okay. Steadfastly means fixed or unchanged. Okay. In order to reach her destination or in order to achieve her goal, she was ready to face even more humiliations and insults. She was not ready to leave tennis. The toughness runs through Maria even today. It was the key to her bagging the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004 and to her meteoric rise to the world number one spot the following year. This very toughness that runs through Maria even today. Today also she has such toughness, mental toughness. It was the key for her to bagging women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004. That toughness only helped her to get women's singles crown at Wimbledon in 2004 and her meteoric speed. Meteoric means speed. Meteoric rise to the world number one spot the following next year. In the year 2005, she rise to the number one spot. So, to achieve all these things, the very important quality she had was her mental toughness, her determination. While her journey from the frozen plains of Siberia to the summit of women's tennis has touched the hearts of tennis fans, for the younger herself, there appeared to be no room for sentiments. Yes, while her journey from frozen plains means cold plain areas, okay, of Siberia to summit of women tennis, okay, from that frozen plains to she reached where? She reached to the summit of women's tennis, has touched the hearts of tennis fans. Hearing her life story, many people were touched, her fans were touched. Okay. Hearing her life story, many people became emotional towards her. But for the youngster herself, there appears to be no room for sentiment. But she herself did not have any sentiment regarding this. The straight looks and answers she gives when asked about her ambition make it amply clear that she considers the sacrifice were worth it. When questions were asked to her, she was looking towards the interviewer in a straight looks and she gives answers regarding her ambition. Those things make amply clear. Amply clear means full clear or wide, amply, wide means wide, full or abundant. It clearly shows her nature that she thought all her sacrifice were worth. Okay, she sacrificed many things in her childhood days, but they were worthy. Because of such sacrifices only she was able to reach that height. Hearing her life story, her fans were touched, but she herself was not worrying about her sacrifices. She thought because of those sacrifices only she reached to that height. I am very competitive. I work hard at what I do. It's my job. This is her mantra for success. And she says that she was very competitive and she worked hard. And tennis was her job. That's why she worked hard on tennis. This was her mantra for success. She got success because of this mantra: working hard, mental toughness, endurance. These qualities helped her to reach the top in tennis. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.